In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Coda IO. If you want a fast, clean way to visualize work as it moves from start to finish, a Kanban board is perfect. It's great for personal to-dos, team projects, content planning, or anything that benefits from clear stages like to do, doing, and done. Today we'll use the quickest method so you can get a functional board in seconds. Start on a new or existing page in Coda and place your cursor on a blank line. That blank line is important because it tells Coda you want to insert something new rather than edit existing text. Now type a /, then the word Kanban. As you type, Coda's quick insert menu will appear and show a Kanban option. Once you see it, press enter. Instantly, Coda will insert a ready-made board with 3 columns, to do, doing, and done, so you can start organizing right away. What you'll see is a fully functional board. Each column represents a stage in your workflow, and each card is an item you're tracking. You can begin by adding a few cards. Click the plus button in the column where you want the task to start, give it a clear title, and press enter to save. As work progresses, drag cards from to do into doing, and finally into done. That movement gives you a live picture of progress without extra typing. You can tailor the board to fit your process. If your team uses different stages, rename a column by clicking its header and typing the new label. You might add stages like backlog or blocked to reflect how you actually work. Keep labels short and consistent so everyone understands them at a glance. Inside each card, you can add details that keep tasks actionable and clear. Consider adding a short description, due date, or assignee so nothing slips through the cracks. If a task grows too large, break it into smaller cards to keep momentum high. A few quick tips can help if something doesn't appear as expected. If typing the / command doesn't show Kanban, make sure your cursor is on a completely blank line and try again. If you inserted the wrong element, use undo to step back and reinsert the board. And remember, because this board is powered by a table under the hood, you can later customize fields, sort, and filter without rebuilding anything. That's it, the quickest way to create a Kanban board in Coda. With a single command, you have a flexible, visual system ready to keep your work moving.